To make the adjustment on the knife assembly, we'll have to remove this cover, which there's the 2 screws right here and the 2 screws right here. We'll just loosen them up, pull this down. And now we have to look at some of the screws. So we have this one right here, this one right here, and then there's one that comes up on the right side and then one that comes up on the bottom on the left side. And they're the 2 that are in line with each other. It can't get a camera to look up at it, so we might attach a picture to it. And so what we're going to look at is how it's scraping. So if you're not able to get it to push all the way in, what you'll do is you'll loosen this front screw just a little bit and see if you're able to get it to scrape. If you are, then we'll color it in using a Sharpie. Push it in, and then we want to check and see how it's scraping. If it's scraping more on one side of the hole than the other side, so say for instance it's scraping on this far edge right here, we would want to loosen up both of these screws just a little bit, then go from underneath and tighten or raise the one on the right just a little bit, and that'll make this knife assembly tilt in a little bit. And then we check the adjustment by coloring it in. Pushing it in, bringing it back out, and seeing how it changed. Now if you have too much scraping on the inside, you want to raise or tighten the screw that is on the left side from underneath. Once you get that dialed in, you'll want to also play with these 2 screws to get the pressure correctly. And then once you have that all done, we'll push this back, put that on. You'll put this cover back on and your needle plate and your cover, and then you'll try out a trim test.